Welcome back, peeps. Check it out. One owner. Absolutely, positively no rust on this truck. Just hit 100,000 miles on a 2007 SE edition Xterra. And I'm telling you folks, they don't come any nicer than this one. I want you to take a look on this video. This is exactly how we got this truck traded in to a Chevrolet dealer. It's phenomenal. I've never seen one this nice, and we do deal a lot with these. This vehicle again is one owner. It's the upgraded SE Sport Edition. It has the Rockford Fosgate sound, auxiliary line in. It's never been smoked in, it's never been in an accident, and it doesn't have a speck of paint that didn't come with it from the factory. Yup, it's that nice, boys and girls. Got the push bar up front, nice meaty set of tires, factory alloys, got the sport roof on top. This is the one, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Xterra. And this is going to be a $1,295 starting down payment. 4x4 boards, the whole nine. Great truck. And this one is about as new as they're going to get. And it's now available for you here at DasCleveland.com. 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement in 1 hour of your time. Come on out. Don't hesitate on this one. These do not last long. And by the condition of this one, I would venture to say it's a couple weeks, if that. DasCleveland.com.